gore le nna jwale ke tlo mo bolaya.
Sis, ha o swabe man. Ka nnete ha o swabe. O tlile mo o tlo gapela gore o tlo bolayana le nna. O mmamela o mmamedise. Ha ko tshabe ntho e batlang go etsa ke ba etsa go gago.
Hantle bothata ba hao ke engwe. Bothata ba hao ke eng o ntse o matha ka moraka? O ntse o latelana le nna mo. Hantle bothata ba hao ke eng?
Ke latelana le wena nna. Ha o bone go kwana o ikentse mohatlana wa taba tsaka. O busy mona nang wa gapela bua masepanyana le badimo bana ba gago.
Yazi ngibe mngani nami indlela esekhamba ngakhona la emsebenzini. Ngabona ukuthi ngisekhaya ke manje. Mnandi kahle ntona yami.
Uyazi ba? Emva kuba sidibanise uzondwa namafu izolo. Ndivele ndababona amadoda bayimimundu nje yezinto ezingakwazi umnyamezela. Zikaka zezinto ezingamagwala. Jonga xa iseyimela ijikile ijonga ngakubo uvela ubabona manje bayakhala bayadidizela amagwala entwezi.
Kodwa Chomi, batho ba soka batla mpona ke shwile.
Yazi ngeke ngayibona ukuthi izoba kanje igcineni. Phela uRato akahlangani nayo ngani lento esenza la.
Hayi, hakutli karato nna. Ke so ke le sona hata ka sentšhe.
Manje bothi sister boss ngimphambanise namafu.
I can't kill my blood. I understand, but you must know that this job is going to cost you, and we're not going to wait for any funds to come.
No, that's fine. Money is not a problem.
Okay. Ashata, I would really like you to know that in this business, we do not kill children or women.
Not a problem. Let's work together then.
That's true, babe. We're not killing children.
Let's work together then. What do you say?
Only if you agree with us, we can work together.
It's a deal.
Hey, Nick, okay, cheers, ladies.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Welcome, baby. Cheers to that. Hey, ke thola lengolo ke lena le tsongwa neng le swa go hlanyela antsa bolaya batho nna se tšhabeng.
Yazi ngeke ngicabanga into enjalo ukuthi isengenzeka.
Hey, jolo go tlo etsa la jwang ka mosebetsi wa ka o. Ngwana no hana hantle.
Captain kodwa bonakala ngazuthi thina sesiyakhula phela. Awusekho phela umsebenzi thina sesisebenzayo sesisebenza nje lamantombazane.
Hayi manje banana banini bahlanye. Tshwanetse ba tshwarwe goba ntse ba senya setšhaba. So ke sitshela amagugu yabo.
Sisu zongibulala mfethu.
Hayi ungazi nje ufunala ukuthi ngizokusiza.
Kanti bafazi banjani? Uthungelelo mkami lo angishiya ukuthi ungibulala.
Shiya umfazi. Njengamanje ngizokusiza mina ukuthi
Hayi bowesisi.
ekhaya. Kufika amaphoyisa la. Ukhuluma nawe. Ngakuliphathe endethi igama.
Yebo kusasa.
Angithi uyazi ukuthi umuntu esimbambe thina isithekisa simenzani?
Yebo ngiyazi.
Kambe simenzani?
Nambulala nesihlungu futhi.
Hayi kuhle ngoba uyazi. Themveke mazibo ukuthi ngeke nawe ngikubambe uyingxenye yabadlala ngomlilo phezu kwekatshana.
Uthendode. Jonga, yeke ngapha kum. Ambulala yini lesigogolo. Yeva, mike lenkuma I got the job. Jonga kunentshintshe into ezizingileyo. Ngike ezingizinto. Mike lenkuma.
Umntwana uyaqhuba. Wena, Nyibi, zama ujone ba reseka kwana ulikhapha. Ke bathi mabonisa uthele lithini.
Sisabhosa kwenza njalo Nkosi ba. Ufuna ukuthi Nkosi bangoni save. Yenza wazi sasigora ziphansi sinyise siya.
Hayi bo tsamang lo hlapa. And wabona lintshwalo no igetsa bo boss. Hayi no sebetsa next time.
Sesiqhela kakhulu wena busolo wakho. Utheni ngo? Ake sisigora ngazi take.
Bona no ba lo hlile jwang.
Take man.
So, Emily, my darling, have you thought about a business?
Ya ke nahana holo ka yona.
So are you sure or you still need some time to think about it?
Ai, ke hloke nako ho hang. Ke nahanne ka yona. Tjhelete. I like it. Thank you.
Well, you know businesswoman rights. By the way, do you know the job that you've done yesterday? I've done the transaction for that.
I saw it. It did reflect on my phone.
Okay, well, here are some of the pictures of those people that you know you need to stop.
And when do you want them to be killed?
If I could help it by the end of this day so that we could get everything over and done with and put it behind us and, you know, more ching ching.
Shimdi Entertainment, sivela la kwavela khona izazi.